Hey, good morning again, Bob Trade Genius. It's the still the 20th of January. I want to talk to you about two stocks or two metals that you probably should avoid for the time period. Is that China, as they always do, is that whenever you have these command and control economies and the big boss says, hey, we need to have electric vehicles, then everybody and their brother starts to produce electric vehicles. And now China is building too many electric cars. In fact, they have produced 10 years worth of supply in electric vehicles for their country. And what that has done, obviously, it drew in imports of lithium and cobalt, and to a lesser extent, copper. And now they're starting to shut down new entrants into the market, and then prices will collapse, and you're going to have basically, I think there was 50,000 manufacturers of electric vehicles and suppliers. I mean, they're going to cause another collapse in production. And so here are the two stocks that you probably want to stay away from for right now. And the other thing too is lithium. I'll get to that one in a second. This is the only pure play cobalt stock out there, and so it's one to keep on your watch list for the future. It'll eventually turn, but you know, with all the news that we've had in terms of China infrastructure spending and then potentially Trump's infrastructure spending, you would think, and all this talk about the electric EV future, is that you would think cobalt would be skying here, and it's just been grinding down. I mean, look at this thing. It's down by half in just 6 months. And so this is something to keep an eye on, but it hasn't bottomed yet. I think it's going to flush down even lower, and then it'll be an opportunity for you. But if you're interested in cobalt long term, it needs to probably come down below $2.50, and it might be something you could stick in a portfolio, but don't expect a big pop anytime soon. And then lithium, this is the lithium ETF, and it's also struggling as well. It's getting a little bit of lift here, seems to move with oil a bit, and because the price of oil's gone up here, lithium has gone up, and then now it's still capping underneath the 100 moving average, and we have a divergence in money flow, and I'm expecting this thing to turn back down as well. And there's a glut of lithium. So this is going to be, any of these pops are going to be speculative pops that'll probably be sold off. For the next 2 to 3 years, there's going to be more lithium produced than used. And if the Chinese cut back production because they can't sell what they have, then you're gonna not need the amount of lithium that's even being produced today. So just keep that in mind. These are two to stay away from, and I have another stock for you to buy here in my next video. I think you'll like this one as well, and this one you can tuck away and make a lot of money in the next 2 to 3 years. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Bye bye.